What is absolutely up again to my turtle gang? We're back at it with another video. This one is gonna be how to get research points in Animal Company, at least a lot. Okay, so first, the method that I personally like to do is I come over here and I usually go with weapons, but it's always nice to have a drill handy. Always nice, always nice. And then, just in case, you know, and then you go ahead and get yourself a nice little revolver, a pew-pew. And then I have the auto-reload bag. If you don't, it's probably not best if you bring a revolver, but you could. You're gonna get yourself a big bag, any bag of your choice. I have the golden stuff, so I'm gonna bring the golden bag. And then you're just gonna wanna fill it with a whole bunch of revolver ammo, like to the brim. I'm probably just gonna cut it to when the purchase cooldown is back again. Alright, so oh yeah, and you don't always have to get a drill. Pickaxe always works perfectly fine. We're gonna go ahead and get myself some beans, and let's go ahead down to mines. Oh, that, hold up, technical difficulties. Okay, it's gonna glitch you guys out, but I'm gonna catch you guys. Cause follow never works with this thing. Oh. Oh, gotcha. Why am I black? There we go. Okay, it's following me. Okay, let's go. And if anybody's comment down below if you want to know how I can make a tutorial on how to fart so far, like me. We're gonna want to go all the way down. Now, you can mine a whole bunch of ores. Oh, oof. So you're gonna want to go for these purple ones. You can usually get, like, I'm pretty sure it's like one every couple of hours. But if you just like keep grinding and grinding, the max you could get per day is like 4. So you're just gonna, oh, my aim is horrible. Anyways, you're gonna want to just like shoot them. I just got one right there. You didn't see it, but it can give you some research points, or sorry, Mr. Ogre Mean. Anyways, this place is always good. It's like the first level. It's a couple of rooms away. It's got nice research points. And then on to our second tactic. The gold ores. Hello, Mr. Anglerfish. We're gonna get up here. Anyways, the gold ores can give you about like 50? No, it's like 5 company coins. Why am I so black? Which can then lead to you getting like paying company coins for research points. My bad, my brain is spazzing out right now. Where's the anglerfish? Yeah, 5, and then sometimes it gets 20 nuts. So mining those is, oh shoot, how did that not kill me? Sorry, Mr. Angley. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. Mine 20 ores. You can also do tasks, which can end up leading to you on your skill thing getting research points, which is then also a very good tactic. Which I just got 3 in a row, which I can get one last one. Oh, what happened to my camera? Hello? Hello? Okay, I don't know what that was. Anyways, let's go ahead and head back. But definitely mining gold is going to be a very good tactic. Because it gives 5 company coins, and sometimes it will give you 20 nuts. It's either or, usually. Yeah, it's very uncommon that I've got 3 in a row. Or, like, without switching stations, you know? Watch my aim. Unmatched aim. Aim. Aim, aim, aim. Ah. Oh, nice. Aim, 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 aim. Ooh, aim, aim. Oh, you guys are glitched out. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. Let me try and get to the light. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed a little tutorial on how to get some research points. 3 in a row was impressive for the same spot. I'm just saying. Have a good day.